Hello. In today's tutorial, we'll be creating a very simple design to be placed on a t-shirt. Now, you can use it for any print-on-demand stores, platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon. Do your keyword research, of course. Now, for this one, let's look for a Christmas tree. This is going to be Christmas themed since Christmas is coming up. Christmas. And then what we should do is click graphics. There are quite a few here. Some are animated, some are static. So what we'll do is get this one. So that's that. Let's just enlarge it a bit. And then we will look for Christmas ornaments. Again, there's quite a few here, so we can choose what we want. I'll choose this candy cane. So for this one, you just have to make everything a bit smaller to fit in onto the Christmas tree. So, you can just put it here and place it. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect because, as you know, this is just a design. It's not a pure representation of a Christmas tree as such. Okay, and okay, there's something that I wanted, which was this one. And all you have to do is just, adjust it from the sides here and just put it there. You can look for a star, but I just wanted to do this here like this. Uh, and size it however you want it to be, big, small, it doesn't matter as long as you are happy with it. And like I said, it's not like a correct representation of the size. Okay, and then this one, what I want to do is just put it behind like this. Now what I'm going to do, now if this does not go behind, all you have to do is click that, go to position and put it backward. Okay. So now it's really backward. So now that you can't, there is a sign there. So that says that it's already as back as it can go. So now what you can do is, these are okay. What I would like to do, let me just move this. I want to just show you something. I'm just going to get all of this and position it in the center. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I've moved that. I want to position the Christmas tree in the middle and the center. And then this one, again, I'm going to make it center. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all of this. I'm going to group it. And then for the position, it's already in the center, but I'm going to put it in the middle. So I bring it down. Now this is too big for a t-shirt because I wanted to do some wordings there. So I'm just going to do that. See, the line came out, so which means it's in the center. So you can actually adjust it this way, or you can go up here to position. Okay, now you go to text. It's Merry Christmas, exclamation. Now I want it in one line for a reason. Now the reason why I want it that way is because first I'm going to change it to maybe apricots. And then I'm going to go up to, so I've changed it, I've clicked it, I've changed the font. I'm going to go up to effects here, as you can see. So I've clicked it, I've highlighted it, I've gone to effects. And what I would like to do is put a curve. So I click the curve here. Now that's too much of a curve, so you can adjust here. There's a slider to adjust. So put that as Merry Christmas. I want the words a bit bigger. So, and then I can go to position and make it center again. Now the other Now I want to add something else, which is a bit of a cheeky thing. So I'm going to put bar humbug. For this one, I'm just going to leave it straight. I'm not going to make it into a circle. So I'm going to change that as well. Maybe I will just keep it there and make it bold. Let's see how it is. So go to Christmas again. Now, like I said, you can just arrange it the way you want it. You can change the font. So, and that's it. That's your design. Now, to see how it will look on a t-shirt, for example, so all you have to do is just select all of it. You can group it again, and this time just center it. You don't have to put it in the middle because I didn't. I just wanted it like this, but you can. So then you can do put it in the middle. And you've got these sides here. You can bring it to the edges if you want. It all depends. Let's say if you bring right to the edge here, then you go back up here again, position, center, middle. So next, what you can do is you can go up to elements, um, t-shirt, mocha, and they're going to show you a lot of t-shirts here. Okay? So depending on the type of t-shirts that you want to see it on, let's see. I just want to choose. Okay, I've chosen this black hang top. Really, let me just make it a bit bigger. Just bring it. Let's say to here, and you adjust it. And this is how it's going to be. Okay, so again, you can go to position and center, so you can center it on the t-shirt. Now, if you see the words are black, so you can't see it, so you just have to change it to white. So now you know that. See, sometimes you can forget, you're doing this, but you forget that the words are white, and if it's on a t-shirt, black, the words are black, sorry, uh, and if it's on a black t-shirt, you can't see it. So this is the design. Now this will be good for if you're going to print it on a black t-shirt or dark t-shirts. Okay, so now we've brought it up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this Merry Christmas. Now as you see, it's white, right? Now if you want to put it on a white background, and this is white, there are many options. So now that it's white here, you can go to effects, and you can also go to splice. Now when you go to splice, what it does is it has another color inside, and the color that's automatically chosen can be any color. It depends on the color you've chosen. The program will choose one for you. So let's say you want it orange, so that if it's on a white t-shirt, you can see it. So then what you do is you adjust the thickness of the white, okay, and the white outline, and then the offset. Okay? So the more you adjust it, the more it comes up. So that's how it's going to look on a white and a what do you call that, a black t-shirt. Now you can just straight away go and have it um, an orange color, or let's say you want it red. Now because this one has got an effect, now you got to take out the effect. You got to go back to effect, go to none, okay, no effects, and that's how it's going to be. So you can make it a red a red font, so it will show up on a black t-shirt and a white t-shirt. Now if it's going to be a red t-shirt, again it's going to blend in, so you need to go back to effects. You need to first put a font and then go to effects and splice is the one. Now you can experiment. You can go to shadow and lift and all of this and see what you prefer. So if you go to splice, um, again, like you see, Now, because you chose red, the system, the program has chosen a pink or a blush color, really. So, again, this is for you to adjust. You can adjust it to anything you want. Another way that you can do is, you know, take off this, for example, just delete it. See, if it's on a white t-shirt, this is how it's going to look. So you can change the background colors instead of putting it on a mock-up. You can change the background colors and see, oh, this is how it's going to look on the different t-shirts. So if it was a white t-shirt, if you see, the Merry Christmas doesn't come out very well, does it? So, but if it was, let's say we put it black, again, because the inside is white, it's not showing well. So change to an orange. Now I left the bar humbug out, but this is just to show you how it's going to be. So let's zoom out again, and let's say the t-shirt is black. So that's how it's going to look. So if your t-shirt is black, this is how it's going to look. So it's a lot of you know, your creativity, how you want it to look, how many colors. Now there are some uh, print on demand sites that you can choose. Like for example, Redbubble, you can't choose the colors of the t-shirt, so you need to work out a color that's going to suit all the colors of the t-shirt that they have on their platform. But TeePublic, you can choose whether you want to put it on dark background, light background, or all the background. So depending on your uh, print on demand platform for t-shirts, this is how it's you need to adjust it. Okay, so I hope you like it. If you did, please do comment, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see next. Bye.